Look, I got the emergency row, and I'll have you know I take my job very seriously. So when the other two people get here, I'll give them a rundown. I'll tell them how I'm in charge in the event of an emergency, what to do. Oh no, we're feeling kind of dizzy. We're going hypoxic, lack of oxygen. We got to descend below 10,000 feet. I got it all covered. So you know, I'll make sure they know, and they'll probably respect me for it. They won't talk amongst themselves about how crazy I am or anything like that. They'll think, you know what, he's a pretty cool guy.